Okay, here we are. We are in Taiwan, and this will be my first boost board experience here in the park here in Taiwan. So let's take a look and see where we're at. That's the Chiang Kai-shek Memory Park, and behind me you will see that there is the tall building there. That is Taipei 101. So I'm dressed rather dorky, but it's kind of cool, but now it's kind of hot. But anyhow, we'll take our first virgin trip off my boost board. I know for a fact that this is not the first boost board in Taiwan, but it's one of the first. So let's see. Here we go. I don't even know if it's legal here, but you know, we'll just skate until we get busted. Actually, let's make sure the car is locked. Car's locked. We got everything. Uh-oh. What do I do? Oh.